EasyFlowUSA.com and save $10 when you enter promo code George. EasyFlowUSA.com. Fresh air anywhere.
Does learning a language feel like this?
No habla español?
Hablo.
It's hablo? It's hablo.
When you learn a language, you want to actually use it. Babbel is designed with that goal in mind.
Since my husband is from Guatemala, I'll apply what I've learned in Babbel to our real-life situations.
The app is so easy to use and it's so practical and helps you learn things that you will actually need.
Babbel, language for life, celebrating 10 million subscriptions sold. Now try Babbel for free at babbel.com. That's babbel.com. BABBEL.com.
Real people, real stories.
I have suffered for years and years, and it was one of those things that I was just wanting to try most anything, and so I ordered the carnivora. I had acute eczema and hives. I had been to minimum of 3 different dermatologists. They always gave me another cream or another ointment to put on that was supposed to help relieve the itching. I have tried every cream and ointment that you can imagine. I promise you it was pretty miserable. So I started taking the carnivora, and at this point I don't want to ever be back there. I don't want to go back there again.
Call 866-836-8735. That's 866-836-8735. Or visit carnivore.com. That's carnivora.com.
Back to Patricia Robinson, the author of This Life and Death, But Not As You Know It, from the unbelievable to the bizarre, in which she presents some very compelling evidence for cases of electronic voice phenomena, photography, psychokinesis, distant healing, signal processing, leadership, and more. We're talking about cases of mental cognition. And I was mistaken. The case I was thinking of was Miss Smith, and this was the one that we discussed in 1950. Yes, so she's just very quickly. She's journeying home from Brecon in her car, accompanied by her small dog. The car goes into a ditch. She then had to walk home approximately 8 miles along deserted farm roads. It was late at night, and she started noticing these figures in the dark moving to her right, bearing flaming torches. So if you could pick up the story from there, what was she witnessing?
Well, she didn't know what she was witnessing, of course. By that time it was extremely dark as it was 2 a.m. in the morning. And she could see there was a village in the distance towards Duncan Hill. And as they approached the village, as you say, she saw to her right, about 50 yards away, figures walking around what appeared to be a loft. They were very, very old-fashioned figures in ragged clothes, etc. And interesting enough, they were carrying flaming torches, and the dog looked over and the dog growled again at it. Anyway, she walked steadfastly on, and finally leaving them behind. She realised in the morning, this is the strangest thing, absolutely weirdest thing ever. And what happened was the figures, she saw the figures, and not only did she see the figures, it was as if she was seeing a battle scene. And there were bodies lying on the ground, and the figures she could see with the torches were turning the bodies over to look at them. And if it was one they didn't want, they would turn the body back over on its face. And if it was one they did want, they would leave it with the face upwards. Now, unknown to her, she was actually on the site of the Battle of Nectanmere, which took place in 685 AD. Now that's a hell of a long time ago. And I find it extremely interesting that the dog barked. Now, she was so concerned about this that she sought to, of course, explanation for this. And she was investigated by a wonderful psychiatrist, Dr. James McHarg. And he went through all of the usual suspects, as we would say. Was it a hoax? But extremely unlikely due to her character of the woman. Was it a false memory syndrome? Was it something that was hidden in her mind that perhaps came to the fore? She absolutely denied any knowledge that there had been a loft there, because there was no loft there now. The loft she saw them walking about was not there in present day. Was it hallucination?